Hi, I'm Jane. I'm in my sunroom and most of it's messy, so I'm only showing you this little section here. But I have right there coleus cuttings, and I took them in the fall. And if I have any pictures or video, I'll show you what they looked like outside. They were so pretty. And all the dahlias, I'm using my thumb, all the dahlias right there are for another video. But what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to show you how to just rotate the water to clean water like once a week, every 4 days. It's super simple, but it's just going to be a short video to show you how to do that. Come along.
Here's a close-up of the cuttings before I change out their water. This is actually potato vine, but same point. Here's some cuttings that have rooted, and the water's not too bad. It's not too dirty. So all I do, simple, change out the water. I want to put fresh, clean water in about every 4 days to a week. And then when I put my coleus cuttings or sweet potato vine cuttings back in, I want to make sure none of the leaves are touching the water, that they stay up above so that it doesn't make it all dirty. Here's some more potato vine. These were tiny cuttings. I just used a baby jar. And more coleus cuttings. This one was an herb jar. And look at this, Tradescantia, wandering dude. My sister gave me this one. Isn't it beautiful? Roots very readily. So same concept. Water not too dirty. Fresh water back in. Put the coleus, I keep saying coleus. This one is a Tradescantia. Back in the container. I like to get any type of dead leaves out of there. This is actually a basil. It's misleading. That one looks like it's root, but those are the little baby roots. And look at the roots on these. Aren't they beautiful? In this example, I let it dry out. Whoops, but look at that root system. It's kind of molded to the jar. So I may have to prune off the top of these, which I actually did later off of camera, because I needed to bounce back. But they actually did bounce back. I just cut the tips off where it's kind of limp, and they grew back. So cool. Whoops, these ones rotted. Here's some more potato vine. Look at these roots. Isn't that amazing? They're so cool. And this one got a lot more brown in the water. So it's even rooting all the way up. Not cool. Ideally, you would change out the water before it got that brown, but life happens. So make sure you get all that out, rinse it out real good, maybe dump it a couple times. Now put in some fresh water for these cuttings. If you're nervous about taking cuttings, start with potato vine. They root so fast. And look at those root system. It's so beautiful. So with this one, I decided I really wanted to wash off some of the debris so that it didn't rot up the water. So I just put it on a spray nozzle and got some of that debris away and put it right back in to my clear jar. See, you don't want any of that, those leaves that'll rot it. And this one I decided was, even though there was a root system on it, it was kind of a rotten piece, so I got rid of it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in another video. And don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye!